So today we're going to master the let variable in JavaScript and show you how you can use it for scores, shopping carts, filters, and more. All right, so imagine we initially start out with a let variable and we're just going to call it score. So that's going to be the name of the function. Then we're going to say equals, and we just want to put what the score is right now. So let's just say the game hasn't started, so everybody's at 0. That's what we have right now. So let allows you to initialize a score or something that you want a value or type. And then what you can do later down the road is actually go ahead and update it and say, hey, now the score is 10. So now you're basically saying, hey, I can store something initially and then update it as it goes on over time. But if that example doesn't make sense, let's use another one. So we're going to say let current filter equals newest console.log, and then we're going to say current filter. Since we already called it, we don't have to call it again. So we're going to say current filter equals price low console.log current filter. Then the same thing one more time, equals rating high. So then what this means is that every time you click, you're initially going to have newest. Then once you click again, you're going to go to price low and then rating high. So what let's going to do is going to remember what you had initially, and then it's going to dump it after you click again. Moving on to price low and then rating high. But let's do one more example. We'll scrap this again. We'll do cart equals, and we'll have an empty cart at first. We're going to say cart.push, and within it is going to be our laptop that we bought, and then cart.push again, and we want to have a mouse in here. Then we're going to say cart equals cart.filter. Then we're going to filter the item is equal to or greater than item mouse. And then this is basically saying, hey, we're adding the laptop and the mouse to our Amazon cart. And then we're saying, hey, we want to now remove the mouse. Now we have to update the cart based upon what we have. And this allows us to do that. Now another method is going to be when you click on light and dark themes within applications, right? You might have a light theme initially, that's going to be your default. But then when you go and change it to a dark theme, what's going to happen is it's going to forget that you had a light theme, and it's going to transition to the dark theme. You can also save that and use event listener and things like that to have everything always updating to your preference. But this is just a way you can conceptualize it as well. But the let method in a nutshell allows you to take something and then change it and modify it over time. With that said, hopefully this video helps you out. Let me know your thoughts down below. And as always, thanks for watching, y'all.